Hello! So today we are going to be making a t-shirt using our printed pattern HTV. We're going to need our printed pattern HTV of our choice, as well as a TTV Easy Mask, also known as a heat transfer tape or a carrier sheet. We have some other vinyl here as well. But we are going to be cutting our printed pattern side up, and we do not want to mirror our design, and we do not want to cut through this backing. On our Cameo 4 that we are using, we are going to be using a blade of 2 and a force of 6. Make sure you always test cut. Once we have that all cut, we are going to weed our printed pattern. As you can see here, we are using the light box so that we can see where that has cut a little bit easier. But as you're weeding, notice that the printed pattern is sitting on that opaque backing. Make sure that you have not cut through that. Alright, now that we have that all weeded, we are going to be applying our TTV Easy Mask, and we are going to make sure that we remove the backing from the TTV Easy Mask, and we are going to be laying that sticky side up so that we can place our printed pattern on top of it, because it's just a little bit easier that way and we don't have to worry about it sticking to the table. And so once we place that down and situate it the way we want it, we are going to squeegee it. Alright, and then once we remove that backing, our printed pattern is ready to press. And we want to make sure that we pre-press our shirt to get rid of all of the moisture. And here we have our little extra chili to add some flair. But we are going to put down our printed pattern, and we just want to make sure that it's centered and good. And general recommendation is having our design start probably 4 fingers down from the collar, and making sure that it's even on both sides so that it's really centered. So once we have that ready, we are going to press it, and we're going to press it this time at 305 for 10 seconds. But because we are doing multiple layers, we don't want to burn it, so we stick down our stuff, and we're going to only do it for 3 seconds. And once we have that, we're going to add our extra little flair and design, and we are going to press it for that full 10 seconds so that that is all ready to go. And once that's done, you have your ready shirt. After you peel everything off, it's perfect, and you can see that it's really sealed into that shirt, and it's really cute and all ready to go. Thanks for watching here at my craft source.